Hello everybody, welcome to our latest game show, Are You Smarter Than a Pirate? Let's welcome our host, Abby Kirshner.
Yeah, hello everybody, or should I say, ahoy mateys. I'm Abby Kirshner, I'm the new host of this new game show we like to call Are You Smarter Than a Pirate? Now I'm going to tell you how this game goes. I'm going to bring two contestants up here, and one's going to be a pirate and one is not. I'm going to ask them various questions about ships because that is our category for today. Whoever gets the most right wins the winning prize. Now I'm going to first bring our first contestant up here today. She is not a pirate, but she is a lady. Get on up here, Barbara. Okay, so what is your name?
Barbara von Slippenschnurger.
Wow, what a name. Let's bring our other pirate up here, and he is a pirate. So, his name is Captain Badbeard. Get on up here. So, tell us your name.
My name is Captain William Badbeard.
Thank you. Great name. All right.
I was Blackbeard.
We're calling him Badbeard, okay? Okay, so we're gonna say a little about our lives here. Now, tell me about yours, Barbara.
Well, my name is Barbara von Slippenschnurger, and I'm from Kansas. And really, I'm just here for the corn chips.
Okay, let's just talk to Badbeard now. What about you?
Well, I wasn't always a pirate my whole life. In fact, when I was a wee lad.
Well, the captain of the ship couldn't find the treasure map.
Who has the treasure map? Is it you?
I don't know what you're talking about.
What's we doing? What are you doing here? Go clean the decks.
Sir, I found the treasure map.
Is the treasure map for sure?
Indeed, sir.
Well, maybe you should be captain then.
Thank you.
And that's how I became the captain. Let's get back to the show now. Here we go. I hope you guys know a lot about ships because that's our category for today, and I'm going to ask you various questions about ships. Here we go. Types of ships. Are you guys ready?
No. Are you ready for anything?
Okay. So, what has two masts, used as a small warships, and held 18 guns? Barbara.
I don't know.
Any guesses?
The Titanic?
Good guess, but no. Badbeard?
That's the brig. In fact, as I was pirating once across the 7 seas, I
Take a brief intermission on this flashback to talk about the ship store, where all your ship needs. Types of ships, folks. Here we go. The brig is 2 masts, used as a small warship and held 18 guns. Bark, fast and small 3 masts, 90 men max. Galleon, 3 to 4 masts, slow but powerful. Pirate favorite target because they generally were full of treasure. Sloop, fast and maneuverable, 1 mast built to outrun pirate ships. Schooner, narrow, full, fast and small. 2 sails, one of the most favorite vessels among pirates. And frigates, one of the largest ships. 3 sails, frequently used as pirate hunters, held up to 38 guns. And we have all of them, so come on down to the ship store where all your ship needs are held there. Thank you, and we can resume. control of life stories. Here we go. Let's go to crew members and their jobs. Let's see if I can handle this. Who was appointed by the government or in cases of pirates voted by the crew members? His authority was supreme at all times, except when we're voted down by the crew. Who is that bad beard?
That is the quartermaster.
No.
That's the captain. Arr.
Let's resume with the show. Last and final question for the winning prize. Here we go. What are some common problems on ships? Well,
Some pirates died of thirst and starvation.
I'm hungry. Thirsty!
Or the opposite, drunkenness.
I can't believe you rode the unicorn of Candyland.
Man overboard! Disease and sickness.
You are coming down cold or something. Should probably get that checked out.
Malfunctioning weapons.
Come on, mommy, let's look about the ship. Okay. Why is that not working out again? I thought it really was.
Alright, now that I tallied up all the scores, let's see who wins. Drum roll, please. Show me the moment, Barbara. And our winner is the grand prize, Barbara!
Are you for real? I'm so happy.
What is this?
Oh, well, considering you just killed somebody in the crowd and I just found out from the cops that you're wanted in 17 different countries, I suggest you run because they're watching the show right now. Get on up here, cop. Take him away. See you later, Badbeard. Alright, well that's our show. Are you smarter than a pirate? Thank you and good night.